always have a goal. I keep on telling you these things because I recently read a lot. I've started reading a lot because when I'm generating content, I need to know many things. If I'm not knowing anything, what will I be telling you guys? So to tell you something, to tell you to keep the content engaging, I should be knowing something. So these days I am reading a lot so that there is something or the other thing that I love or like or finds to share with you guys, because in this life, see, there are a lot of information available online, offline, books, everywhere, but what information I am giving to you is most important for you. Because the every content creator, see, I was also watching podcasts also. So today I watched a podcast of two people who was asked, two people, one of was Ankur Variko, and the other one I'm not recollecting his name again. My mind is not that recollective, so I need to do many things. What do we call spilling salt on South Indians? Jale pe namak छिड़कना. Oh, that was very dark. That was very
तो
very
फिर ये
dark.
डार्क है
Yes.
जले पे
Read
नमक छिड़कना डार्क है
read it again. What do you spell? What do we call spilling salt on South Indians? जले पे नमक छिड़कना.
क्या डार्क है भाई
This is racism, bro.
व्हाट इज
Understand? South Indian people are black, according to this commenter, Rishabh Kumar. Rishabh Kumar is a very interesting fellow, the best person I have met in my life.
भाई बट साउथ इंडियंस के बारे में नो है ब्रो
No, well, I'm not spreading
very
hatred.
intelligent
That
and
was
they are
all just
very
for fun. Well, yes,
passionate about their
yes,
various
yes
careers
is
and things.
increasing his vocabulary. Yes, is increasing his speaking skills. He want to always say some or the other thing, but he doesn't want to come in front of the camera. Doesn't matter. I'm not going to take in front of the camera. If you want, you can
So,
come directly
Manas, I
next
want
to
to
me.
tell you about me. I'm very shy type of person. I'm very introvert. I don't like the camera things, and I'm not able to express my feelings in front of camera. So I will prefer
So
that. I will
to you, I want to tell you one important thing, that if you are very shy or if you don't like coming in front of the camera, so these are the traits that you should identify and work on. Because when you are by college में मिलके, okay, 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 I'll do that. I'm not going to read out the whole comment because definitely this comment is not good. Okay, I will do that, and I will also do that with your food. So yeah, what I was telling you, that these traits, when you think that you are not good enough, you want to go back and just miss out, just don't want to be the part of this journey, or you don't feel good coming in front of the camera, you feel shy. It's all the trait that you are lacking something in life. When you do something where you are not comfortable, when you move out of your comfort zone, then what important things happens is that you just understand, you just love the way you live. Because whenever you are out of your comfort zone, then only you understand new skills, understand new things, understand or witness many new options in your life, which will definitely make you a better person as an individual. So these things because according as these challenge I am doing, I face that thing also. Earlier I was very much comfortable. When I started the YouTube journey, I was very much comfortable speaking in front of the camera. Then eventually, as time passed by, I was not regular. Then after a while, with time, I was very shy like you. I became shy and shy, and I was not able to communicate. I was not feeling confident to speak in front of the camera.
Manas, do you know
But then as
that professionals say that 8 hours sleep is very important for healthy life, and you are not sleeping.
who is saying I am not sleeping? I am sleeping.